International Youth Day is an annual observance designated by the United Nations to celebrate the contributions and potential of young people worldwide. It serves as a reminder of the importance of addressing the challenges and needs of the youth population while recognizing their role in shaping the future. The primary purpose of International Youth Day is to raise awareness about the issues affecting young people globally and to promote their engagement in social, economic, and political processes. The day aims to highlight the significant contributions that young people make to their communities and societies while also addressing the challenges they face, such as unemployment, lack of education, discrimination, and other social issues. International Youth Day is marked by a variety of activities, including conferences and workshops. Many organizations and institutions hold conferences, seminars, workshops, and panel discussions to discuss youth-related issues and solutions. Youth-led events. Young people often take the lead in organizing events that showcase their talents, initiatives, and projects aimed at improving their communities. Advocacy campaigns. Advocacy campaigns are launched to raise awareness about youth-related challenges and to advocate for policies that support youth empowerment and well-being. Artistic and cultural events, art exhibitions, concerts, theater performances, and other creative events celebrate the talents and creativity of young artists. Social media campaigns. Hashtags and social media campaigns are used to spread messages, stories, and initiatives related to International Youth Day. Community service. Many young people engage in volunteer and community service activities on this day to make a positive impact on their local communities. International Youth Day is crucial because it draws attention to the voices, talents, and potential of young people, encouraging stakeholders to take action to address their needs and empower them. It serves as a platform for youth to express their concerns, ideas, and aspirations while fostering a greater understanding of the challenges they face globally. By acknowledging the significance of young people and supporting their active involvement in various spheres of society, International Youth Day contributes to creating a brighter and more inclusive future for all. Each year, a specific theme is chosen for International Youth Day to highlight a particular aspect of youth development and engagement. Themes often align with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, addressing pressing global issues. Some past themes include 2022, Intergenerational Solidarity, Creating a World for All Ages. 2021, Transforming Food Systems, Youth Innovation for Human and Planetary Health. 2020, Youth Engagement for Global Action. 2019, Transforming Education. 2018, Safe Spaces for Youth. 2017, Youth Building Peace. 2016, The Road to 2030, Eradicating Poverty and Achieving Sustainable Consumption and Production. What is the theme of 2023 International Youth Day? Green Skills for Youth, Towards a Sustainable World.
Thanks for watching.